November 22nd, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. And what are we going to do? We're going to do cheesy corn casserole. And what do we need for that? We need 1 can of sweet corn, cream style. We need a 1 can whole kernel corn. And what I've done, I've already drained this off, the fluid off the whole kernel. Not into this, though. This is going to be the mixing bowl here that I got right here. We're going to need 1 stick of butter. And we're going to need 1 egg. We need 8 ounces of shredded cheese. And we're going to need 8 ounces of sour cream. So that's half of the 16 ounce here, guys. So we're going to mix this up. Oh yeah, we don't want to forget the Jiffy corn muffin mix. Without that, you're not going to have much of a casserole. So let's mix this up and see where it goes from there. So hold on. Okay, guys. It just almost tips the bowl over, overfills it, and it's all mixed up. So we're going to put it in the pan, and then we're going to put it in there. So hold on. Okay, guys, there it is. Now we got the oven preheated to 350, and it can take it says from 40 to 45 minutes. You just don't want to burn it, so you just got to keep an eye on it. So I'll do a part 2 on this, let you guys see how it turns out. Anyway, keep your eyes open and stay safe out there.